Welcome to the sweet, fascinating world of cake production where culinary artistry meets high-speed industrial precision. Before we dive into the stunning final creations, the vibrant, frosted, multi-layered cakes that light up birthdays and celebrations, let's take a moment to appreciate how it all begins. Behind every cake is a story of preparation, precision, and a whole lot of engineering. First things first, hygiene. Workers suit up with strict cleanliness protocols. Gloves on, aprons adjusted, hairnets secure. In the food processing world, cleanliness isn't optional, it's the golden rule. Every shift starts with thorough hand washing and sanitation checks. Because when you're feeding thousands, there's no room for contamination. Next, it's ingredient time where raw elements like flour, sugar, eggs, and butter meet machinery. And innovation. Giant silos store flour and sugar, feeding them through enclosed pipes into massive mixing units. These mixers aren't like your kitchens, they're towering machines capable of blending hundreds of kilograms of batter at a time. With mechanical arms rotating at calibrated speeds, ingredients are whipped into a smooth, lump-free batter ready to pour. The smooth batter flows into automated molding systems. Giant trays that form thousands of cakes per hour. Once poured, the trays enter tunnel ovens several meters long. These ovens maintain a consistent temperature, typically around 175 degrees Celsius, ensuring every cake rises perfectly. Infrared sensors and moisture monitors keep conditions ideal to avoid overcooking or drying out. After baking, the cakes are cooled on long conveyor belts equipped with cooling tunnels and high-speed fans. Once cooled, the cakes proceed to slicing stations where ultra-sharp circular blades, guided by lasers, cut them into perfect layers, usually 3 or 4 depending on the recipe. Now comes frosting, one of the most critical steps for both taste and appearance. Frosting production begins in enormous vats where eggs, icing sugar, cream, and flavorings are blended. The mixture is whipped into a thick, silky consistency. Robotic arms then lift bags of flour and sugar with ease, transferring them into hoppers that feed the frosting machines. Once the frosting is ready, conveyor belts carry it to assembly lines. Each cake layer receives a smooth layer of frosting, thanks to carefully calibrated applicators. A final coat is added to the top and sides by rotating blades and air-pressurized nozzles. The finish is smooth and uniform, ensuring both taste and visual appeal. Chocolate cakes with vanilla frosting and rich chocolate ganache are assembled with robotic precision. These machines can recreate intricate patterns hundreds of times without deviation. Decoration machines take over next, dipping colorful macarons into molten chocolate and placing them around the cakes with robotic arms. Machines do most of the heavy lifting. Human decorators step in for customized cakes with messages or theme designs. Even personalization is automated. Modern factories print edible messages with food-safe ink or let robotic arms pipe names directly in frosting. Just punch in the name, and the machine handles the rest efficiently and elegantly. Have you ever bitten into a marshmallow and wondered, how does something so fluffy, sweet, and soft come to life? Well, get ready to uncover the fascinating, delicious world behind these sugary clouds. From bubbling syrup to rainbow ropes and chocolate-dipped delights, we're diving into how marshmallows are mass-produced in modern candy factories. And trust me, this isn't just food, it's a spectacle. Stick with us till the end, and you might just fall in love with marshmallows all over again. At the heart of every marshmallow lies a simple blend: sugar, corn syrup, and water. These 3 ingredients are poured into massive industrial mixers, where they are stirred and heated until they form a thick, sticky syrup. This syrup is then brought to a temperature of around 240 degrees Fahrenheit, the perfect heat point to get the gooey consistency we all know and love. But it's not just about the sugar. The science here is magical. As the syrup cooks, it undergoes a transformation. What starts as a runny liquid becomes a viscous, glossy, honey-like blend. The process must be timed with precision. Too hot, and the syrup hardens. Too cool, and it won't set properly. Beyond this, the type of sugar used also plays a role. Some manufacturers experiment with brown sugar or maple syrup for richer flavors. Corn syrup, being a non-crystallizing sugar, helps maintain the smoothness of the mixture, preventing it from becoming grainy. Once the syrup hits the right consistency, it's time to bring in the gelatin. This ingredient is responsible for the marshmallows' bouncy, jiggly texture. Along with the gelatin, other flavorings, vanilla, fruit essences, and sometimes colors are added to give marshmallows their character. When the gelatin mixes with the syrup, it traps air bubbles, giving marshmallows their light, airy structure. This moment is crucial. The right mix creates the soft texture that melts in your mouth. To make things even more exciting, some brands add marshmallow root extract for an authentic touch. A surprising fact is that gelatin isn't vegan. That's why many companies now offer vegan marshmallows made with plant-based thickeners like agar-agar or carrageenan. These alternatives mimic gelatin's properties, allowing more people to enjoy these fluffy treats. With the gelatin added, the next step is whipping. The mixture is rapidly aerated using high-speed whisks. This stage is what truly gives marshmallows their volume. Picture gallons of fluffy white clouds forming in industrial vats. It's a sugary tornado. This whipped mixture is often double-checked for consistency. A batch that is too airy may collapse during packaging, while one that is too dense won't offer the expected melty noom. Mouth's experience. The resulting fluffy mixture is then loaded into large industrial extruders. These machines shape the mix into long ropes, which are often colored and twisted together to form rainbow patterns. It's mesmerizing to watch these vibrant marshmallow ropes snake along conveyor belts. It's intertwining like edible works of art. After forming these ropes, a gentle shower of powdered sugar is added. This coating is essential. It prevents the marshmallows from sticking together and preserves that soft, fluffy feel. Each rope is cut into uniform pieces with lightning precision to achieve a rainbow pattern. Let's talk combinations. Have you ever tried marshmallows stuffed in waffle-like biscuits? Here's how they're made. First, rows of biscuits are elegantly arranged on a conveyor belt. Then, a tank filled with warm, gooey marshmallow cream pipes the perfect amount on top of each biscuit. Next, another biscuit layer is placed on top, creating a sandwich. These treats are not just tasty, they're visually satisfying to watch. Being assembled, everything is neat, clean, and deliciously uniform. Thanks to smart machines, the biscuit mallow combo often includes layers of jam or chocolate for added texture and flavor. Factories use synchronized nozzles to ensure each layer is evenly distributed. It's food engineering at its finest. Think we're done? Think again. These marshmallow biscuit combos then take a dive into flowing chocolate pools. The chocolate coating hardens to create a crispy outer layer that complements the soft center perfectly. Each bite delivers a crunch, then a melt-in-the-mouth sweetness. But that's not the final step. Some of these treats are further enhanced with toppings like shredded coconut, chocolate chips, or rainbow sprinkles. Talk about a flavor explosion? Double coating is also common. One dip for milk chocolate, another for dark or white chocolate. Each layer brings a new dimension of taste. Surprise! Marshmallows originally came from a plant. The marshmallow root was used in ancient times to make sweet treats. Although today's marshmallows are more about sugar and science than sap, the name has stuck around. Today, marshmallows come in a huge variety of flavors, colors, and shapes. Some are fruity, some are spicy, and some even taste like your favorite. Soda, from bubblegum to cotton candy to exotic lychee. Manufacturers push flavor boundaries every year. There are even gourmet marshmallows handcrafted in small batches. These often include herbs like lavender or rosemary, or are infused with liquors like rum or brandy. Making marshmallows is one thing. Packaging them is another challenge altogether. These soft, fragile sweets need extra care. Machines gently lift and place each marshmallow into specially designed boxes, ensuring no shape is distorted. These packaging machines are fast and incredibly efficient. Unlike humans, they don't get tired. They can wrap, seal, and box thousands of marshmallows per hour, all without compromising quality. These machines also keep air out, sealing freshness in. So by the time you open your marshmallow box, it tastes just as fresh as it did in the factory. Some factories even inject nitrogen to extend shelf life. Eco-friendly packaging is also gaining ground. More companies are shifting to biodegradable wrappers and recyclable boxes. High-speed extruders. The real MVP. Here's a fun fact. Some extruders can churn out thousands of marshmallows every minute. Yes, thousands. That's how we get our marshmallow fix in stores so easily. It's speed and precision at their finest. Take the hot pink and white marshmallows. For example, these are made with food-safe colors and flavors. No harmful chemicals, just edible joy. The machines ensure each batch is perfect light, airy, and squishy. If you're making a 500 grams pack, you might only need around 8 grams of gelatin to get the right bounce. That's how precise these recipes are. Consistency is key. One misstep and an entire batch could go to waste. That's why quality control checks are frequent and rigorous. Candies that aren't marshmallows, but still yummy ***, the same tech that makes marshmallows is often used to produce chocolate seed candies. These treats start with a smooth chocolate syrup, then seeds or protein powders are added. The mix is shaped into rolls, sliced and coated with powdered sugar. Want heart-shaped candies? Or stars? With the press of a button, these smart machines can switch designs in seconds. Some factories produce up to 1 million candies per day. New innovations include sugar-free and keto versions. These require different formulations and are often made in separate lines to prevent cross-contamination. Half chocolate wonders and jam. Biscuits. Some candies are dipped halfway in chocolate, creating a two-tone effect. It's all automatic. Machines do it all: dip, dry, and deliver. Ever heard of jam biscuits? These soft biscuits have a dollop of jam in between layers and are sealed with marshmallow or chocolate. Watching them being made feels like a mix of food science and artistry. Biscuits are baked first, then cooled rapidly to prepare them for marshmallow or jam filling. This prevents the fillings from melting or losing texture. Outro. It's from factory to fantasy, from syrupy beginnings to chocolate-coated bliss. The journey of a marshmallow is nothing short of magical. These little cubes of joy are more than just treats. They're a testament to how simple ingredients and advanced machinery can create something truly delightful. So next time you pick up a marshmallow, take a second to appreciate the incredible journey it took. Whether you're toasting it on a campfire, melting it in hot chocolate, or just enjoying it straight from the bag, you're part of a sweet legacy. Got a favorite marshmallow flavor or a candy you'd love to see being made? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks into the delicious world of food production. Stay sweet, stay curious.
Discover the journey of your favorite foods from farm to fork as we explore the meticulous processes behind KFC tenders, the sweet story of pizza, and the art of crafting perfect sushi. Get ready to uncover the secrets of large-scale food production? that bring delicious meals to your table. The journey of KFC. Tenders. Our journey to understanding KFC tenders begins in the serene environment of amazing poultry houses located in the United States. It's a major supplier for KFC. These farms are more than just places where chickens are raised. They are carefully designed spaces dedicated to the well-being of the birds. Automatic dispensers play a key role in maintaining the chicken's health, ensuring fresh, clean water is always available. Spacious barns, chickens are given room to roam freely, unlike the cramped conditions found in some other farming setups. This freedom is crucial because a stress-free environment helps chickens grow healthy and robust. Careful collection and transport once the chickens are deemed ready. Modern collecting machines arrive at the farms. These machines are somewhat like large vacuum systems, but with a gentle touch. Instead of sucking up the chickens roughly, they handle them with great care. Once collected, chickens are placed into clean, secure crates. These crates are specifically designed to ensure the safety and comfort of the chickens during their journey. This helps reduce stress and keeps them calm throughout the trip. Upon arrival at the processing plant, the chickens are unloaded with the same care and attention they receive throughout their journey. The unloading process is handled by experienced workers who use a system of conveyor belts and understand the importance of gentle handling. The focus remains on maintaining their health and safety, which is crucial for producing high-quality products. Precision processing and quality control. The processing plant is a marvel of modern technology, designed to handle large volumes of chickens while ensuring efficiency and precision. As the chickens travel along the conveyor belt, they pass through a stunning machine designed to render them unconscious in a way that is both quick and painless. One of the most important steps in the processing plant is ensuring the chickens are treated humanely. This commitment to humane treatment reflects the industry's focus on animal welfare. The chickens then move to the feather removal stage, where a specialized machine removes all feathers. One of the first steps involves separating the chicken feet from the rest of the body. After the feet are removed, the chickens move on to the next stage, where their internal sections are cleaned out. Once the internal cleaning is complete, the chickens are thoroughly washed. The washing process occurs in a pool of water that also uses high-pressure water jets to remove any remaining blood or impurities, crafting the tender with the chickens dried. The next stage involves cutting them into various parts, keeping the breast pieces for KFC tenders processing, as they are known for their juicy tenderness. The rest of the chicken will also be cut into pieces and collected for further selling purposes. Before making cuts to the breast pieces, abrasive roller pins conveniently remove the skin from the breast piece, so you never have to compromise on taste and quality. Specialized machines are used to make precise cuts, separating the breast from the rest of the chicken. These machines are designed to handle the chicken gently, while ensuring that each cut is clean and accurate. The breast pieces are cut from the bony parts of the chicken, which are handled separately. Once the chicken breasts are separated from the rest of the chicken, they are carefully collected. Now the breast pieces are being placed into drum rollers. This part of the process is designed to make the chicken breasts even juicier. The drum rollers gently tumble the chicken pieces, allowing them to lock in moisture and enhance the overall tenderness of the chicken. After the drum rollers, the chicken pieces move to the sorting stage. Here, they are manually placed on running belts or sieves. These sieves allow experts to inspect each piece carefully to ensure the chicken is safe to eat. The pieces are then sprayed with a solution responsible for removing any harmful bacteria from the surface. The spray helps to reduce the risk of contamination and ensures that the chicken is clean and ready. Once the chicken pieces are thoroughly cleaned, they are coated with flour to add a delicious texture to the chicken and help create a crispy coating when fried. Importantly, no artificial ingredients are used in this flour coating. The flour-covered pieces are then transported on shaker or vibrating belts, which ensure that the coating is applied evenly and that the pieces are aligned in a uniform shape. This partial frying locks in the tenderness and juiciness of the chicken, while giving it a golden brown color and a crisp texture on the outside. Delicious extras: cheese cubes, nuggets, and potatoes beyond chicken. Factories create a variety of other popular food items with remarkable efficiency and precision. Cheese. Cheese cubes are a popular snack and ingredient in many dishes, prized for their gooey, melty centers and crispy coatings when fried. Battered cheese cubes are passed through a bed of breadcrumbs in an automatic machine. These machines not only increase efficiency, but also ensure consistency and quality in the final product. By automating the process, manufacturers can produce large quantities of cheese cubes with perfect coatings every time. From mixing ingredients to packaging the final product, every step is designed to create patties that are not only delicious, but also made with remarkable efficiency, carrying the capacity of 1,500 liters at a time. They can literally cope with bigger projects, like more than hundreds of thousands of patties every day. Chicken nuggets for that appealing golden brown appearance. Chicken nuggets are fried for around 70%, so they will be almost ready when you place your order in restaurants. Automation like these becomes even fascinating when they give a touch of love and care. Two sorts of nuggets are made, both equally delicious. Potatoes. Freshly harvested potatoes arrive at the factory, where chosen potatoes are gently loaded onto a conveyor belt. This belt carries them smoothly into the heart of the washing area, where a steady stream of water showers over them. This stage is important in maintaining the potatoes' hygiene, ensuring they are free from any contaminants that could compromise their quality. After the initial rinse, the potatoes enter a brushing and scrubbing phase. Here, soft brushes mounted on rotating cylinders gently massage the potatoes' skins. Once thoroughly washed, the clean potatoes proceed to a drying stage that is typically 2 in 1, meaning they keep on drying naturally while moving ahead towards further processing, which will be peeling. Potatoes enter the automatic peeling station, where abrasive rollers gently remove their skins, so they can be moved to big choppers which literally cut the potatoes into uniform chunks. This factory is multitasking because it not only prepares potatoes for silky smooth mashed potatoes, but also gets various forms of potatoes for dozens of cuisines. For example, special cutters cut potatoes into wedge shapes, so potato wedges are not a hassle now, while some of the peeled potatoes are sent for further examination. Experts pass the good quality potatoes to be cut into halves and packed immediately to prepare the creamiest and most flavorful mashed potatoes. Experts are boiling the potatoes right at the spot. While in many households where spare time is, literally the issue, already boiled potatoes, like boiled a day or two before, are used to make mashed potatoes real quick. But these facilities know never to compromise their crowning taste. When the potatoes are perfectly boiled, the unnecessary water is drained, and the steamy hot potatoes get their ultimate treatment in a smooth blender, as they are the main character. The blender keeps on rotating while bit by bit, butter is added to give them a thorough and creamy blend. To make mashed potatoes creamy and dreamy, they pour in a specific amount of milk and mix it all over again. This gives the mashed potatoes a smooth texture and that perfect consistency that makes you crave for having more. And there you have it. The potatoes have gone through the ultimate transformation and are ready to be served as a delicious creamy side dish or main, totally depending on your taste. Never underestimate any smaller element, even if it is a small gesture or machine. Like this nozzle pouring the equal quantity of mashed potatoes in every batch,